Mr. Page, can you hear me, sir? Is Mr. Page competent? Because if he's competent, then he can be
I can't hear you.
court. If he's not
I can't hear you.
so you stop yelling at me.
What's going on, man?
Mr. Page, please state your name.
Page.
Your full name, sir.
Page, Christopher Keith Page.
Thank you, sir.
Well, I want to talk to my lawyer. I want to even talk to you.
Sir, this is the judge. You need to behave properly.
I can't hear you.
I'm sorry?
I can't hear you.
Said this is the judge, and you need to behave properly.
I didn't say, what you mean? I didn't say nothing. I want to talk to my judge. We didn't talk.
What?
Well, what again, Your Honor? What did I do? Can you hear what he's saying? Try again. Your Honor, try what again, Your Honor?
He wants to talk to you. Your attorney wants to speak with you.
I think you come my front to talk to him, Your Honor. Why can't I come upstairs with everybody else? Why am I getting you like some dog?
Does anybody know what he's saying? I can't make it out.
Huh?
I don't know what you just said, Mr. Page.
I said, why am I being treated like some dog?
I'm going to put you in a breakout room with your attorney so you can talk to him, Mr. Mansour, and then let us know what we need to do.
Talk to him or something. What is it?
Thank you.
No.
Your Honor, I'm not talking.